Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to our social science class. Today, let's begin our new lesson, Chapter 7 Economic Thought. What is the meaning of economic? Economic means pertaining to the production, distribution, and use of income, wealth, and commodities. Do you know who started the economic? Today, we know that the Scottish thinker Adam Smith is widely credited for creating the field of economics. Adam Smith is known as the father of economics. Who is the father of economics? Adam Smith. He was born in 1723 and died in 1790. Then what is economics? Economics is the branch of science that studies economic activities relating to production, distribution, and consumption. Which are the economic activities? Production, distribution, and consumption. They are considered as the economic activities. The branch of science that is studies about this production, distribution, and consumption is known as economics. Economics is not merely a study of wealth, it is also a study of man and society. Then what is economics? In one way we can say that economics is the branch of science that studies economic activities like production, distribution, and consumption. And another way we can say that it is the study of man and society. Look in this picture. Have you ever noticed the nature of human wants? Here, from this picture, we can list out some wants of humans. First picture shows what an agricultural field. We need food. This is one of the important wants of human beings. Second one, that policeman who controls the traffic. Then third picture shows what the industry. Sometimes they may be producing different kinds of tools or weapons or machines, tools or medicines. Here, fourth picture shows the services given by the doctor and nurse. We need the help of this doctor and nurse. We want the help of this industrialist. We want the help of this policeman, and we want the help of this agriculturalist in our daily life. In earlier classes or last year, we studied about what is production and what are the factors of production. What are the factors of production? What are the factors of production? Land, labor, and capital. They are the factors of production. Then, can you say what are the rewards of these factors of production? The reward for the factors of production are distributed according to their respective share. Thus, distribution is significant in economy. Production and distribution are two important processes in an economic system. After the production, we need what? We have to distribute the things. Otherwise, the products will become waste. And for whom do we distribute these products? For the consumers. When the consumers consume only, the producers get what? Profit. So, we can say that the reward for factors of production are one of the important factor of production is land. Its factors reward is rent. Labor, for the service of the labor, he will get what? Wages. It is his reward. Then another factors of production is capital. Capital means income or money. All producers, it may be agriculturalist or industrialist, they need what? Capital for to start a project. Or the farmer need money for agriculture and the industrialist need money for starting his industries, for the work of his industries. So capital is considered as an important factor of production. Its reward is interest. Another important factors of production is entrepreneur, and entrepreneur will get what? Is his reward as a profit. So we can say that land, its reward is rent, labor, wages, capital, interest, and entrepreneur profit. Okay. Man satisfy his wants through the consumption of goods and services. I need food. Then it is my want. I want food. Then how can I satisfy my want? Through the consumption of goods. I need medicine. How can I satisfy, or I want medicine? Who can satisfy? How can I satisfy my wants? From the service of doctor and nurses. So the reward received by participating in production process is spent on consumption. So we can say that there is a relation between production, distribution, and consumption of goods and services. Okay. Then, anyway, the society faces, or the economic system of a society faces fundamental problems. The fundamental problems faced by an economy are what to produce and how much to produce, and how to produce, and for whom to produce. These are the problems faced by an economy. What to produce, then, and how much to produce. The agricultural or industrialist, when they started their production, there is question in their mind. What to produce and how much to produce, and how to produce and for whom to produce. Okay.